Good day everyone, I am Geraldine Gonzalez Severo of UTBTED FSM 3A, and in this video, I am going to present my demo teaching in this subject, and let's watch this!
Good morning class!
Good morning ma'am!
So, before we start, I request everyone to please stand and let's start. Mr. Lamud, please lead the prayer.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Dear Lord, thank you for this day, and I hope the teacher give us the lesson and also the understanding about our topic for today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. And can you please pick up the pieces under your chair and arrange your chairs properly. So, before we start, who can recall first our discussion last meeting? Anyone from the class? Yes, Mr. Lambu.
Yesterday, we discussed about the preparing menu items, and yun, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Lambu. So, yesterday we tackled about the menu items. So, today we are going to discuss the training regulation under the core competency, the learning objectives, which is the deal we handle the topic. Yes. So, before we start, I have a question. When you hear the word intoxicated guest, what comes in your mind? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Nan?
So, for me po, intoxicating guest, for example po, like, may nag-enter ng restaurant or hotel, tapos yung guest po is, for example, yung guest na mag-check-in sa hotel or restaurants, let's say, so, for me, yung ganang situation, paano siya ma-handle ng mga tao doon sa restaurant?
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Nan. So, let's come now with our learning objectives. So, at the end of the session, learners should be able to first assess the level of intoxication of the guest, apply a proper approach and behavior toward intoxicated guests, and the last one, follow enterprise and industry protocols. Our introduction. So, anyone who can read this introduction? Yes, Ms. Warta, can you please read?
By handling intoxicated guests is our important responsibility and hospitality and relation in the sector, especially in housekeeping. First, like employees, especially those working in bars, restaurants, hotels, and events, must ensure the safety, comfort, and well-being of all guests. Intoxication can lead to unstable behavior, safety risks, and potential legal issues if not addressed properly.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. White. So, for our introduction, when we handling intoxicated guests, it is the responsibility of the industry when they have the intoxicated guests. And also, this session, we tackled about the important skills needed of the staff, and also we introduce the sign of intoxication. Next, sign of guest intoxication. Common sign of intoxication, first, slurred speech. So, kapag sinabi natin slurred speech, it will stop under the influence of alcohol drink na kumbaga dito natin makikita na yung isang sign na lasing yung isang tao kapag utal sila magsalita. Next, for coordination. So, makikita natin na sign of yung some guests kapag hindi na sila, kumbaga hindi na sila nakakahawak ng mga bagay-bagay. Then alert and active movement. So kapag lasing na sila, is nahihirapan na silang gumalaw. Then change and mood and behavior. So diba kapag may mga lasing na stuff is, kumbaga nag-change yung emotion nila, may mga makulit na, ganun, tas madaldal. Then, difficulty walking normally. So, yung guest na yon is, kapag nakainom na sila, hindi na nila kaya na maglakad lang isa, kumbaga is, hindi na nila mag-balance yung sarili. Next, we can read first the proper approach. This is for Sal. Can you please read the first one?
Proper approach. Remain and respectful. Offer assistance politely. Avoid arguments with the guests. Encourage them to rest or stay in safe place.
So, dito, napag-usapan natin yung proper approach na dapat gawin natin. Then, handle the excellence level of attention. First, remain calm and respectful. So, kapag nakakita tayo o kapag nakahandle tayo ng isang guest na under the influence of alcohol, kaya mausapin natin sila na inahon and also respect natin sila. Offer assistance politely. So, kapag kailangan nila ng tulong, we need to assist them para ligtas sila. Then, avoid arguments with the guests. Kapag lasing na sila, is huwag na tayong magbato ng mga words para ma-avoid natin yung mga arguments. Next, encourage them to rest and stay in a safe place. So, kailangan, kapag alam na natin na lasing na sila, is kailangan, we need to encourage them to stay rest. Next, industry protocol. Ms. Ortega, can you please read the slide?
Industry protocols and safety measures. Follow safety and security procedures. Observe and maintain distance. Protect guest safety. Follow communication protocols.
So, industry protocols and safety measures, follow safety and security procedure. So, kapag, di ba sa industry, kailangan may mga protocols tayo na kailangan sundin natin yun para maiwasan natin yung mga accident and also pagkakaroon ng away. And then, observe and maintain distance kapag nakita natin yung isang guest natin na mag-is, nananakit na siya, gano'n. Huwag na tayo lumabit para na dun sa safety natin. Protect guest safety. Yun na yun, yung kailangan sigurado natin yung guest natin is safe and follow communication protocols. Kapag makikipag-communication tayo, kailangan maayos yung pag-usap natin para maiwasan natin yung Next. So next, reporting and referrals procedure. So kapag sinabi natin referrals, yun yung pakipag-consult natin sa mga guests, proper procedure. Call supervisor and security when needed. So kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng mga supervisor, kailangan ng pag-consult tayo sa kanila ng maayos. Then document is accident. So kailangan yung document natin kapag mag-consult yung guest natin is malinaw at maayos yun. Use appropriate reporting tools and checklists kapag mag-consult sila, kailangan maayos yung mga gagamitin natin na report tools. Next. Identify sign of intoxication. First, apply safe and polite guest handling. So, kailangan safe, i-apply natin yung safety. So, kapag maghahandle tayo ng guest. And follow proper communication in order to safety. So, that's all. Thank you so much. And before let's end this topic, can anyone who can tell me the learning day for our session for today? Yes, Mr. Antonio.
So I learned today, I am dealing with intoxicated guest or person. We should properly speak to them that they should be calm, and if they are drunk na, they should be in a safe place or just
Thank you so much.
So now, let's now focus with the rating sheet for demonstration observation with oral questioning. For my oral questioning,